Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back where we dive into the world of self-care and sustainability. Picture this: the vegan cosmetics market booming at $15.17 billion in 2021, and a staggering 34% of us leaning towards natural and organic skincare. It's not just a trend. It's a movement towards healthier choices and ethical beauty. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some DIY magic. Want that radiant glow? Try our avocado and oatmeal hydrating mask. Just mash, mix, and apply for 15 minutes hydration, soothing, and extra moisture in one go. And for a brightening boost, how about a turmeric and honey mask? Turmeric's anti-inflammatory powers combined with honey's moisture, it's a game changer for dull skin. Smooth, silky skin, anyone? Let's dive into body scrubs. Our coffee and sugar scrub stimulates circulation, exfoliates, and moisturizes. And the green tea and Epsom salt scrub, a detoxifying and relaxing experience for your skin. Time to pamper those locks. The banana and almond oil hair mask, a heavenly blend for moisture and shine. Or the aloe vera and apple cider vinegar rinse, balancing your scalp's pH for lustrous locks. Now, who says makeup can't be natural? Dive into the world of plant-based cosmetics with our DIY beetroot lip and cheek stain, a natural rosy tint that's safe and beneficial for your skin. But wait, there's more. As the beauty industry evolves, so does plant-based beauty. Advances in technology mean even better performance and sensory experiences. It's not just a trend. It's a commitment to a gentler, sustainable approach to beauty. Remember, beauties, not all that glitters is green. Be cautious of greenwashing and always check those ingredient lists. Whether you're whipping up DIY concoctions or choosing ethical brands, plant-based beauty is the way forward for a healthier you and a happier planet. Thanks for joining us on this plant-powered journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the green love. Until next time.